The game itself, I think the team played well. Just unfortunate with the result. I think the break hasn't done anyone good, but I think it was the game itself. I think the team played well. Just unfortunate with the result. I think the break hasn't done anyone good, but we've worked hard in that time. I think we've gotten better, sharper. So we're just looking forward to start the season now. It's been great. I've been enjoying it. It's really good to be here. The environment is good. Coaches are top. Players are good. The attitude. Everybody's here to work hard for the club. So it's been very, very good. I think the preparation for the Pirates game as well. And now a month later we play again. The preparation's been good. We've been working hard, preparing well, so we're just looking forward to start the season now. I think just the attitude and the desire at the end of the day. Just go out there and give 100%, and then I think we can get the job done. At the club, I'd like to win some trophies. Just enjoy myself, enjoy my football and win trophies, contribute to the success of the club. I think that's it. Just come out in numbers, support the team. I think we know the club, what it's based on, hard work, and